Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cabbage dish. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 medium head of green cabbage, about 2.5 pounds, 1 large onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Also, have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 cup of vegetable broth, and your salt and pepper ready. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get everything prepped. Start by removing any loose or damaged outer leaves from your cabbage. Then, cut the cabbage into quarters and carefully slice each quarter into thin, even strips. Next, finely dice your large onion and mince the 2 cloves of garlic. This precise preparation ensures even cooking and maximum flavor in your dish. It's time to cook. Heat your 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the diced onion and minced garlic, cooking them until they're soft and fragrant, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Now, stir in your sliced cabbage and the 1/2 cup of vegetable broth. Cover the skillet and let it simmer for about 15 minutes or until the cabbage is tender. Once the cabbage is tender, remove the lid and season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure the flavors are well distributed. Your delicious cabbage dish is now ready to be served. It makes a fantastic side dish or a light main course. For a truly effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.